everybody. So, the 2021-2022 Stars and Rookie set, they're pretty cheap now. So, I think now is a good time to see if we can actually get a autograph out of one of these. I've actually never pulled one, but when these are going for, $5-7 a box, I thought it'd be cool to see if I can try getting something out of it. This set has Trevor Zegras, it has Jeremy Swayman and Quentin Byfield in it. 1 in 25 card rookie set per box, and it looks like, looking at the fine print here, that our odds of hitting a autograph card would be a 1 in 20 boxes. It says it right there. So we'll see if we can actually hit something from this. Wish me luck, and here we go. So of course, this is a little bit older set now. We're already chasing Bedard, of course, but with all the box prices going up and these staying fairly cheap, it's a good time to kind of chase some of the rookies in the last couple years. Of course, this usually comes with just a pack, as you can see, and of course, number 1 in this set, not too shabby, it's going to be Cole Caulfield. So either way, we'll get all the good rookies, and just hoping that we can get an autograph somewhere in here. If I can get it open. There we go. Bam. Oh, that's right. There's a strip in the middle. We'll do that for the next one. Alright. I think there is one color parallel per pack. So as you guys can see, go a little bit quicker for the next ones. Cole Caulfield, Trevor Zegras, Jeremy Swayman, Alex Newhook, Spencer Knight, Grigory Denisenko, Jamie Drysdale, Quentin Byfield, Kalen Addison, Ross Colton Bolton, Shane Pinto, Alex Barboulay, Jesse Ilonen, Zach Jones, Alexandra Holtz, Niels Lundqvist, Cole Perfetti, the Jetty, Moritz Seider for my Red Wings, Vasily Podkolzin, another Red Wing, Lucas Raymond, Philip Tomasino, Anton Lundell, Mason McTavish, William Eklund, and Jake Neighbors. Dang it. So nothing on that one. We'll see if we can get something out of the next 2 boxes. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you guys click on the like, subscribe, comment on how you think. Actually, I wanted to ask you guys to see how you think Bedard's cards are going to fare, especially after this craze that we're going through. Boxes being close to $300 a piece. I don't know about you, but a little rich for my blood. I think I'd rather go for some of the singles that are coming out on eBay rather than going out and buying hobby boxes, or even some of the retail boxes are getting way too expensive. And yeah. There we go. All right, let's see what we got. We'll go through these a little quicker now that we've seen all the cards. I'm not really sure where the autograph would be if we did get one. Like I said, I've never really gotten one before out of these boxes. It's not too much of a loss if we don't get one, being that these were fairly cheap to pick up. All right, one more to go. Let's see what we got. I'm wondering if any of you guys out there have actually bought like a case of these and just open them up and see if you can get an autograph. Well, at the very least, I get 3 Cole Caulfields and 3 Moritz Seiders and 3 Lucas Raymonds. We'll see what we can get out of this. Last one, guys. Wish me luck. And here we go. Zegras, Swayman, Newhook, Denisenko, Byfield, Addison, Pinto, Jones. Oh man, I don't think we're gonna get one. And nada. Dang it. That's all right. Well, it was worth a shot. Now I have a whole stack of rookies. And yeah, fairly good condition. And if you guys haven't noticed, got a few cards graded through PSA. Some pretty cool cards. You can see Adam Fox and Dawson Mercer there in the background. Of course, I am susceptible to the Bedard craze as well. Got these 2 graded. Both the game dated moments of Bedard, got 2 gem mint 10s on both cards. So yeah, I am not immune to the Bedard craze, but I'd rather buy the singles and then get them graded rather than chasing them in the hobby or retail boxes. So tell me what you think for our break. And yeah, now I have a ton of rookies to sort through and sleeve, and hopefully maybe create a couple of those. Thank you for watching, guys, and again, take care. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.